This video will show you how to use Commons to take just a very particular part of a course into your own course. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm interested in taking just the signature assignment from the English development site and putting it into my PELT site. So I'm going to go and click on English Faculty Development. And then I'm going to go to the module, because in this case I want to do a module, but you can do quizzes, assignments, and the steps are going to be similar to what I'm showing you for the modules. So I'm going to the modules, and I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom to where I know the signature response essay is. And I want to bring in the introduction, materials for instructors, the overview, that video, the signature assignment, and the 3 assignments where I can place them. So if I like a module or a quiz or a page, whatever it is, and I want to just bring that one piece into it, what you do is you export it to Commons or share to Commons. And what you do, especially if it's just for yourself, is you go and you click on this, you say share to Commons. And in this instance, I only want to share it with myself. I'm not interested in sharing it with the rest of the college. If you wanted to share it with just 101 groups and ALP groups, you could click here and then specify which group. But I'm going to put only me in this instance. So I'm going to share only me. And you notice that it is the response essay assignment unit. And then you can change the copyright, whatever you want. I've done this before, so I have to say what's updated. I'll just say no changes. This is the title. You can override the title and put something else that you want. Description, especially if you're sharing with other people, you should put something there. And then it has a default picture. But if there's no picture there, you need to click to change. And you can choose something from Unsplash, and that's an easy way to do it. And I'll just do this. I'll type in pennies. And this time I'll select the piggy bank. So that gives it a picture. And then you can select the grade level, which we're undergraduate. When it's ready, you click Update or Submit, and it will take a few minutes, but it will take that unit and put it into Commons. So once we think that that has been shared, and it depends on how many files and how large they are, you're going to go over to Commons, and that is the C with an arrow pointing right. So you're going to click on Commons. And when you go into Commons, it defaults to Carroll Community College. But I don't want to use that one. And if you take that out, then you have all the things ever submitted by anyone. But I want to do something that only I have submitted. So the easiest way to do that, since you say only me, is since you're the author of that, because you're the one who exported it, just type in your name. So I will type in Isabel DeFeo. And then you'll see what I have left that I can go and pull from Commons. And it hasn't shown, let's see, it hasn't shown up here yet. So we'll pause for a moment and then continue after I've given it enough time to bring it into Commons. All right, so the module that I just chose from the development site is appearing. Notice that I had chosen the picture with the piggy bank with the pennies. So if I want to pull this into my course, I'm going to go into it. And then I'm going to click on Import and Download. Now you can go and look here and see how they're structured, decide what you do like or not like, but you'll click into Import Download. Then you will choose what class you're going to pull it into. And in my case, I'm going to pull it into my sandbox for PELT. And I'm going to click on Import Course. And again, depending on how much you're importing, it may take only a couple of minutes, but it could also take up to 10 minutes. And it shows that there's an update and it's been pulled in before, and you fix it. But to check, you go back into your dashboard, and I have my PELT sandbox, so I'll click into that. And if I've given it enough time, which I have, you see that now in modules, and this was an empty course, you'll see in modules I've pulled in the signature assignment, and I have the materials for instructor, I have the overview, the video quiz, the signature assignment, and the assignment pieces that get submitted to the gradebook. And that's how you do it. That gives you some more control over it. Like I've said before, some of the quizzes will not pull in and some of the videos will not pull in. So you have to choose on which way will work the best for you.